I don't really feel like we need much of an intro. I'm Bethany, and if you're here, it's because you want to know about Fenty Skin. And because you're here for Fenty Skin, I'm gonna give it to you. I'm about to give you the best demo you have seen thus far besides the one Rihanna has done herself. I pulled my hair back for the purpose of this video so I can give you all a full demo of what Fenty Skin is gonna do. So let's go ahead and wash our face. Wet our face, I should say. Going in with the Fenty Total Cleanser Nets. So we're gonna go in with Fenty Skin Stat Water. It doubles as a serum and a toner, day and night toner. And that is something that's really interesting to me. The consistency looks kind of not as thin or watery as a regular toner. It's kind of thick, so we're gonna see what that's talking like. The entrance, the outer, how you open it is you're gonna twist the top, and she used this just on her hands alone. I typically use a cotton ball, cotton swab, or whatever, cotton round to go over my skin so that everything is evenly, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna just use our hands, because I feel like if that's how they're showing us how to do it, then we might as well see what that's about. We might as well try it that way. So let's go ahead. We're gonna go in. I saw her do this, and this is a real funny way to apply serum and or toner, but we're gonna do it. We're doing it. Apply it on your neck. Okay. Alright, it's not bad. It's kind of gives you definitely. So because this came like this, and this apparently you can purchase separately when you run out, I think this is so awesome that she did this. Go ahead and put this in here. So it's a click like that. Oh, look, you guys, this is how you close it. This isn't what I was trying to do, but this is how you open and close it. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to pump some of this. Oh, wow. Okay, girl. I'm assuming you don't need a lot. Wow, it smells so good. I guess it's fragrance that I've seen people talk about. I really tried not to watch a lot of tutorials with this Fenty Skin because I wanted to have my own opinion on this. I wanted to give you guys an unbiased review. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm really heavy with the moisturizer during the day. And because it's SPF, oh girl, I'm just really happy about that. My review, I probably would say this is I'd say a 9.5. Because I have acidic skin, I feel like I need some type of acne treatment to use this as my sole 3-step skincare routine. However, I do feel like this is a really good 3-step skincare system for all the girls who are unclear about what to get. This will be great for you because it has the cleanser, it has the toner and a serum, and it has a moisturizer that has SPF. You don't have to think too hard about this, boo-boo. And I love Rihanna for making it easy for us girls to not have to think so hard. Skincare is very important. It goes with makeup if you're into makeup, but even if you're not and you're just really, really wanting to make sure get into that skincare and that is good. One thing I would say that I love is how easy it is to open and close all of her products. Especially if you travel a lot like me, I'm really happy that I know for a fact, besides this one might be something, but it has that click. You guys hear that? It has a click, so at least I know that it's closed. However, I still will probably put this in like a Ziploc bag, but other than that, Rihanna, go try it because you want amazing skin. Go try it because it's a 3-step skincare system. It's easy. It has everything you need in it. Go try this. Go buy this because it's Black owned. As well, it's great. My skin looks great. What else do you need? What else do you need to convince you that you should go get this? This is really good. Like, I wouldn't just say this because it's Fenty. I feel like, you know, the critics are really out because this is skincare. And I feel like a lot of people judge people for what they use. You have to also remember to make sure that you're using what your skin needs. This may not be for you. This may not be for your skin. However, give it a try. If you don't use everything, you may be able to use a toner. If you're looking for a toner, and the serum, that's the serum. If you're looking for an SPF, that's the SPF. Go ahead. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this review. I was so excited to share with you all my thoughts on this and give you guys a demo, especially if you were on the fence about buying this product. I say go get this product. If you don't get all three, at least buy one of the products. If you don't buy nothing else, get that hydromizer. You can never go wrong with a moisturizer that has SPF. That is my Fenty tip of the day. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next video.